Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you the process of how you can pin a message in Telegram. Now to begin the process, you first open the Telegram application on your mobile device. Then you need to get logged in into your account. Once you have been logged in, you open the chat in which you want to pin a message. Now here you can see all the text or the message. Now once you choose the conversation, you need to hold and tap it for a couple of seconds. Then you will see the pin icon on the top option just beside the sound. You tap on pin and then that message will get pinned on the top of your conversation chat box. Here you can see the icon of pin just beside that chat conversation. This is how you can easily pin a message on Telegram. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.